Hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Pepe update today. So we're looking at so many things happening right on Bitcoin side as well. So you have a small negative pattern with Bitcoin. If I do show you what Bitcoin is doing, so number one, on a higher time frame, you're looking at Bitcoin creating this huge support and resistance where you had a support, resistance here, move down, support, resistance, and the support down to the other side. Now, I was expecting we might see a move back up here all the way to maybe 70,292. Now, there could be chances where you do drop down at the middle, right? So something very similar to what happened here when you came down and you bounced off back, and then you went down one more time, and then you finally pushed up. So what was this could actually be this, where you see one more last drop and one more last drop, and then finally try to take out all the stops and then move for good to the upside. So this right here is also another scenario. Secondly, is that 1 hour time frame does show that Bitcoin is breaking under a bearish pattern. So you have ascending broadening wedge, a move to the downside, retest, and it could be that you come down to $62,500. So that can actually cause a small correction for Pepe as well. Now, Pepe, of course, has another pattern on its own. So if you do drop down that support and resistance, it looked like this a little bit. Even Pepe is actually losing it. So you can see that you had a little bit of this support going on. You broke out, and maybe you will fall along down with Bitcoin, maybe down to nearly, this is going to be 10,576. So it's not a very dramatic fall, just a very small, tiny fall here. And one more thing is that the lowest you can actually go where it really makes sense, I'm going to show you where it is, which is actually my personal opinion, that it could be a retest of a trend line that has already been broken. So you've already broken above. It really looks like Pepe is going to come down to retest that broken trend line. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one in the office.